By yourself today, sir? Hello, sir. Do you have an ID with you?
I don't answer questions. Sorry.
I know you're at a checkpoint, correct, sir?
Yes, I do. I'm just exercising my rights. I don't answer questions. Do what you gotta do.
All right, let's go.
No, thank you.
Welcome back to the Lackluster channel. Today's story is from GFLO. Be sure to head over to his channel and let him know I sent you. GFLO was traveling on a Greyhound bus when they passed through a US Border Patrol checkpoint in Falfurrias, Texas. The bus was flagged for an immigration inspection and was boarded by immigration officers, who asked each passenger about their citizenship, where they live, and where they're headed. Immediately, Officer Elbert shines the flashlight into the camera to avoid being recorded.
Where are you headed to today? Houston? By yourself today, sir? Where are you headed to? Houston? All right. Is any of the bag
Wow,
after
you
yours?
see the things that they do.
After harassing most of the bus's occupants, they finally made it to GFLO, and to the officer's dismay, he not only knew his rights, he decided to flex them.
Hello, sir. You have an ID with you today? ¿A dónde va? ¿Dónde viene? Gracias. Hello, sir. Do you have an ID with you today?
I don't answer questions. I don't answer questions. What's your name and badge number?
We don't have badge numbers,
Okay.
sir. If you want my name, it's right
Hey,
here.
Albert, and y'all don't have no numbers?
No, sir.
Okay, that's fine. I don't answer questions.
You don't answer questions.
I don't answer questions.
I
Sorry.
know you're at a checkpoint, correct, sir?
Yes, I do.
Like, I'm just asking, are you a U.S.
Yes,
citizen?
I know. I'm just exercising my rights. I don't answer questions.
I have the next 10 hours, so we can sit here all night.
Okay, me too. Am I being detained?
Yes, sir, you are.
For what
being
crime?
detained. It's an immigration
Okay,
inspection,
and
sir.
do you suspect that I'm not a U.S. citizen?
We have to verify that
Okay.
everybody on the bus is a U.S.
Oh,
citizen.
we're Nazi now. We're Nazi Germany now, right? Yes, I'm sure you've heard it before. I'm just
Do
exercising
you
my
have a
rights.
point here, sir?
Yes, I'm doing it for the people. You know, when the Constitution was wrote, when the Constitution was wrote, it says written. Okay, sorry. When the Constitution was written, we have the right to remain silent.
You're not under arrest.
Okay. Well, arrest me if that's what you want to
I'm doing
do.
my job, and I'm here to do an immigration
Okay,
inspection.
you have the right to ask. I don't have to answer.
Alrighty, I can take you off this bus and detain you here further,
For what suspicion of what crime?
because I can't verify that you're a U.S. citizen, sir.
Okay. Do what you got to do.
All right, let's go.
No, thank you.
GFLO is refusing to identify or answer questions. The question of whether the officer has the right to ask questions is debatable. Many will argue that these checkpoints, while technically legal, are unconstitutional. This bus has not crossed a border. In fact, this particular checkpoint is 80 miles away from any border, and for some reason has the authority to stop, detain, and question anyone traveling through it. But if we were to assume that the checkpoint's mere existence wasn't an egregious violation of our civil rights, then this officer could ask anything she wanted. In that case, GFLO could refuse to answer any question he wanted and refuse to identify, as he was still committing no crime. Because this man is more aware of our constitutional protections than those that have sworn to protect the very rights that he is flexing, he is detained and eventually arrested, despite the Department of Homeland Security's memo instructing its officers that they cannot escalate a detention into an arrest simply because a person refuses to answer questions.
What's your name, sir?
Adonis.
Adonis.
F13, can I get a supervisor to the bus, please?
I'm gonna have to get her. Oh, you want me to wait?
No, that's fine.
I don't know if y'all seen in the Constitution, it's we the people, not we the government. I'm sure you learned
If you
it.
have a problem with the U.S. government, sir, then maybe you should leave.
Oh, well, I mean, that's not your decision, is it?
This is a tone-deaf and completely ignorant statement. The only thing this officer swore to protect is the Constitution. The preamble begins with the phrase, "We the people of the United States, in order to form a more perfect union," which implies that the progress of the American experience is never complete. When we moved from the Articles of Confederation to the Constitution, we understood that the state would be ever evolving to meet the needs of the people. If you don't like the government, you have the right to implement change, or at least to attempt it.
No, thank you. No, thank you. Because I'm not. Because I'm exercising my right. Freedom to remain silent.
To the bus, sir.
I'm not. I'm sorry, but
How you doing, sir?
I'm pretty good. How about yourself?
Good. Are you a citizen?
I don't answer any questions.
You can. You have to.
I know I can, but I have the
you
right to
step
remain
off the
silent.
bus?
No, thank you.
Sir?
What is your name?
Renee Quintana.
Okay, nice to meet you.
Do it one of two ways. You can get off.
Do it however you want to do it.
Okay.
Hey, you know that's assault, correct?
Come on.
You know that's assault.
Get
What
up.
are you detaining me for? What are you detaining me
Sir,
for?
come
For
on.
what are you detaining me for? What
Sir,
are you
come on.
detaining me for? No, thank you. Sir, you're assaulting me. I will file a lawsuit. You're assaulting me. What are you detaining
Get
me
up.
for?
Come on.
What are you
Get up.
detaining me for?
Come on.
What's the reason?
The supervisor arrives and they remove GFLO from the bus. He was detained for 10 hours and charged with impeding an investigation. However, charges were dropped the next day. He filed a formal complaint and of course the outcome is shrouded in secrecy. GFLO did attempt to find a lawyer, but was unable to afford one. Showing some sensibility towards its customers, Greyhound Bus recently took the position to not allow agents to board and search without a warrant, or in restricted areas of its terminals. Border Patrol has said that buses remain subject to searches and their passengers are liable to immigration checks at highway checkpoints leading to the interior of the United States. This conflict is still being debated, and I will continue to watch it closely. Remember to film all interactions with public officials, and be sure to head over to GFLO's channel and let him know that I sent you. Thanks for watching. If you have a video you'd like me to review, email it or send it in via Facebook Messenger. You can also view this and other content on my website. If you're new here, subscribe for future content. If you've been around for a while, remember to like, share, and comment down below of what you think of this interaction. Shirts and other goodies are available at the Teespring store linked below. Channel memberships start at just $1 if you'd like to further support the channel and get a slick lack logo next to your name. I'll see you in the next video. All links are down below.